I got this one. Hey. I received this one from a company called Zest Tea. Z-E-S-T, then T, the regular T, T-E-A. I got this from a company called Zest Tea. I have looked out for them on all social media. I've looked at their website. They look serious. They look like they know what they're doing. So they sent me a Christmas package. Thank you so much, Zest Tea. I cannot wait to try your product. And guys, trust me, if the product is nice, I would come back and tell you it is nice. No lying here, no pretense here, no selling of fake products here. If it's nice, I would come back and tell you it is nice. If it's not nice, I would also come back and tell you it is not nice. So this is a channel that tells you the facts, the truth. So let's go on and unbox Zest Tea and let's see what they've got for us. Thank you, Amazon, for doing the delivery. God bless you. Let's open this parcel and let's see. Wow, that's a lot. Wow, Zest Tea, cinnamon, apple, orange, pickle, black tea, cinnamon and apple, 20 pyramid bags, 3 times more caffeine than regular tea. Wow, this has 3 times more caffeine than the regular tea. This is nice. I would love to try this. And it is apple and cinnamon. Woo! Nice combination. Thank you, Zest Tea. This is green tea, pomegranate, mint, lime, everything I love in one tea. It's gonna be great. This new year is gonna be great. And it's gonna give me 3 times more caffeine than my regular tea. Wow, so this is called an energy tea. Are you guys ready for exercise? Are you ready for workouts? We're gonna try this all. This is nice. Thank you, Zest Tea. High octane tea, spicy masala chai. If you don't know about masala chai, I'm sorry for you. This is lovely. It's a black tea, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, ginger. This is just all natural spices put together in one tea. Like, I don't need to make my tea anymore, and then I'll be bringing ginger to add it in there, and then I'll bring cinnamon to add in my tea, bring this to add, bring that. Everything is made already in one tea. All I need to do is just take a tea bag, drop into my teacup, put in my hot water, and drink. Wow, thank you, Zest Tea. I love companies that are very, you know, they have good initiative, good productive line, and they have sense, you know, they have common sense. Put together everything you would have added in your tea in one tea bag and just make life easy for you. Like, this is what we want. Life is too difficult, so things that would make life easy is what we want, and I love it. Thank you, Zest Tea. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Superberry samba, green tea, acai, strawberry, passion fruit. Like, any flavor you want. I think that's what they're doing here. They're very brilliant at what they do, and I love it. So any flavor you want, you're gonna get it. So it is any flavor you want, you're going to get it. So if you're allergic to this or you're allergic to that, there is always something for you. There is a drink for everybody. So let's keep saying more. This is a lot. Orange, pickle, black tea, pergamons. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus, even me, my head said one scatter. Ori mi fe fo. So there is no I can't drink this because I'm allergic to this, or I don't like the taste of this. There is something always for you from Zest Tea. There is options for you. Okay, which one is this one? Blue Lady. Hey, God, why am I not on blue today? Blue Lady, black tea, orange, lemon, hibiscus flower. people. Oh God, I need to drink to you, Zest Tea. This is for you, Zest Tea. Cheers. Cheers. You guys are just so brilliant. What? You know what you are doing. So after all the eating and drinking and enjoying, you have varieties of tea here for you to drink, and it will give you that energy to do your exercise, to work out and shed those fats. Guys, I haven't tried Zest Tea in my entire life before. This would be the first time for me going on to try it, but I just have this feeling. I'm convinced already. I'm someone that works with the Holy Spirit, so I'm convinced already that this tea would be great, would be superb, but I'm gonna come back and tell you guys if it is or not. Thank you, Zest Tea. You guys you've got lovely flavors, you've got lovely packaging, you've got, wow, and the bags are resealable, so you don't have to start looking for containers to turn it into, or a Ziploc bag or anything to put it into. When you open it, it has its own natural made Ziploc. So when you open it, you take your tea bag, you can close it back, and the package is neat, it's clean, it's beautiful. So why do I want to turn this into another container when the bag is looking beautiful all by itself? Thank you, Zest Tea. I love you. God bless you. I will try your product, and trust me, you have gained a customer even without trying the product. Just from the outlook and from the things written on it, all the natural spices it has, you have won my heart. Thank you so much, Zest Tea. I can't wait to try this. And before I go, one more toast to you. Cheers to Zest Tea. Zest Tea all the way. I'm going to come closer. Yeah? I want to come closer and ask you guys, like, who am I? Who am I to deserve all this? Like, Zest Tea, thank you. Thank you. Your company will not run down. Your company will be known worldwide more than Amazon. And you would go top notch, like top notch. I love people that make my life easy. They make my life easy. Usually when I make my tea, I'll put the tea, put ginger, put cinnamon, put honey, put lime. But I don't need all of those anymore because I've got Zest Tea. Zest Tea makes my life easy. All I need is put a tea bag in my teacup and drink. Everything I would have added is already in the tea bag. So who got the time? Nobody has got the time. So I'ma just drink my tea and enjoy my life. I'm so excited. Zest Tea, thank you. I love you all. Thank you for my Christmas gift. Thank you, Zest Tea. Bye.